Hey everyone, it's Cole with BAM Liquidation. Today we're going to be performing a battery replacement on an iPhone 6s Plus. We recorded our own repair process, but for more detail and step-by-step photos, a great guide can be found at ifixit.com. Let's get started. Our main tools today are going to be a really small Phillips screwdriver, a P2 pentalobe screwdriver, and a heat gun. Other tools aren't required, but we recommend a guitar pick, spudger, tweezers, and some 90% isopropyl alcohol. Before you begin this process, it is recommended that you discharge the battery below 25%. Then power off your device. First, we need to unscrew two pentalobe screws on either side of the lightning port at the bottom of the phone. We'll use our P2 screwdriver. Now there are two main methods for removing the screen. In this case, we will be using a guitar pick to slowly push into the edge and work the screen off. You can also use your heat gun to loosen the adhesive and pull up on the screen with a suction cup. The best place to start is right above the headphone jack. This screen came off pretty easy, but keep in mind that some screens might take a bit more work and patience. Next, we're going to remove two Phillips screws that cover the logic board battery connector, and use our fingernails or spudger to unclip it. These screws are two different sizes, so be very careful to keep track of which one is which. Next, we're going to remove 5 more Phillips screws over the display assembly. These are also different sizes, so make sure to keep them separated. We're going to remove the bracket and pull up on the display connector to disconnect it. There's also a digitizer connection below. Third, we pick the fingerprint connector and remove the display. There are 3 adhesive pull strips along the bottom of the battery. We're going to peel them back by twisting them around a pair of tweezers. Be careful not to pull too fast or they might break. You can loosen any remaining battery tabs using the alcohol. The battery is also glued in, so we'll use the heat gun one more time to loosen up some of that adhesive.
Huh? Okay.
Then we're going to use our spudger to slowly pry up on the battery. Careful not to bend or puncture it. Warm it up again if necessary. Then remove the battery and peel out the leftover adhesive. Next, we're going to take our new battery out, apply new adhesive strips to the inside of the phone, and place it down. Make sure it's facing the right way, and all the connectors are in the right place. Now we just repeat those steps in reverse. We'll put back the logic board connector. And then we'll do the display connectors. And screw the brackets back in. Now before we reattach the screen all the way, we make sure the new battery works by plugging in or powering on the device. Looks good. Now we reattach the screen. Return the 2 screws by the lightning port, and we're done. Thanks for tuning into this video. If this helped you or you enjoyed it, leave a like, and subscribe to this channel for more content like this in the future. You can also find this tutorial and many others over at ifixit.com. Visit us at our website, bamliquidation.com, to shop or learn more.